Hey y'all, so my son comes to me just a moment ago and says, Mama, can we order DoorDash? I want Zaxby's. I said, no. We have chicken here at home and I can make your own chicken. He said, well, the only reason I want to go to Zaxby's is because they have Zax sauce. I want Zaxby sauce. Well, guess what, baby? Mama can look up the recipe and make you some Zaxby sauce. So that's what I'm about to do. Put my baby some chicken in the air fryer and make him some homemade Zax sauce. Watch me work. So while my chicken is finishing up, I am going to get me a bowl that I can cover back. And I am going to get my sauce started, okay? So first we're gonna start with 3/4 cups of mayo. Got a 1/4 cup of ketchup. Listen, I'm not a name brand girl, so what you see me use is what I got. Oh, my chicken just cut off. Perfect timing. We have 4 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, or shy sauce is what my husband calls it. 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, okay? And we need 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Just need a little salt. I don't know what a little salt from this recipe means, but hey. There we go. Now let's stir it up. It's looking good. Let's hope it tastes good as it looks. Okay. Taste test. Maybe a little salt, a little more salt. Here we go. Try again. I can get jiggy with that. Let's try it with some chicken. Here's our chicken. Let me try with a piece of chicken. Let's see. I did that, y'all. I'm proud of me. Let's see if he thinks the same. G, the sauce is ready, baby. Okay. You ready? I want you to be honest.
It actually looks like Zaxby sauce.
Okay. I want you to be honest with me, okay? Tell me what it really tastes like, okay? All right. Your chicken might be a little hot, so you might have to blow it a little bit. I told you it was hot.
That's real Zaxby sauce.
What?
It is.
I did it.
Try it.
I did. I liked it. So you really like it? Because you love Zaxby sauce. Oh.
That's Zaxby sauce.
That's Zaxby sauce? Well, okay, y'all. Hey. This reaction to my Zaxby sauce.
That's good. What you put in there?
The Zaxby recipe.
You Googled the Zaxby recipe?
Uh-huh.
That's good.
Well, thank you. You approve?
That's really good.
Yay.
For real.
Zaxby sauce is G approved. Y'all hear me? Let me see you eat some more, buddy. Ah. And y'all, he'll tell me for real if it tastes like it or not. So What you think?
It's amazing.
10 out of 10?
10 out of, it's going to be 1,000 out of 10.
Boy, you better. Boy, you better. Mwah. Yes, you can get some candy. All right, y'all. Go try it.